Do you want to know the top 7 watering hacks for healthy plants? Today, we're diving into the world of plant care, particularly focusing on the importance of proper watering for your green companion's health. Stay tuned to uncover these amazing watering hacks. Our first hack is using a watering can with a long spout. This tool is a game changer, offering precision watering to avoid drenching your plants. It also helps conserve water, making your gardening more sustainable. Remember, it's not just about watering your plants, but doing it right. Next up is the finger test. This simple method involves plunging your finger into the soil. If it's dry up to your second knuckle, it's time to water. This ensures your plants aren't overwatered. With the finger test, you'll never overwater your plants again. Our third hack is watering in the morning. This is beneficial for your plants because it reduces evaporation, allowing more water to reach your plant's roots. Plus, it gives your plants all day to absorb the water. Make watering in the morning a habit for healthier plants. Hack number 4 is to water deeply and infrequently. This strategy encourages plants to establish deeper roots, making them more resilient and better at sourcing nutrients. It's a game changer for plant health. Remember, it's about quality, not quantity. Our fifth hack is the use of mulch. This garden superstar provides a double whammy benefit. It not only retains moisture, keeping your plants happily hydrated, but also deters those pesky weeds. Mulch, the secret weapon for efficient watering. Hack number 6 is watering the base, not the leaves. Directing water to the base ensures it reaches the roots, where it's most needed. Watering leaves can lead to disease due to excess moisture, so always aim for the base for optimal watering. Our final hack is using a rain gauge. This handy tool can help you keep track of rainfall, allowing you to adjust your watering schedule accordingly. No more guesswork, just precise hydration for your plants. With a rain gauge, you'll always know when to water and when to wait. And there you have it, the top 7 watering hacks for healthy plants. From the humble watering can to the essential finger test, these hacks are your green thumb's best friends. Remember, healthy plants start with proper watering. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy planting!